This particular subject I've been teaching. I'm expert in this particular my MTech, all these subjects in highway. I'm actually my specialization is highway engineering. I'm specialization in highway engineering. With 36 years of teaching experience. How much? 36 years. Means I have been teaching this subject since from last 36 years. Now, coming back to the principles I quote. Then the transportation has got the two principles on which it is working for all the things. Then this transportation builds up a communication. It builds up communication network from origin to destination. So one of the principles I want to write it down. It builds up communication network. What is that? Communication network. No, it is a common word. Transportation is a common word. Why is it a common word? Transportation is a common word. It is not pertaining to only highway engineering. The transportation consisting of four modes of the transportation. I will write it down. So again, here I am going to write here modes of transportation. You write it. See, modes of transportation. Take the girls also write it. What are the modes of the transportation? There are four modes of the transportation. What are they? I am going to write it down. Four modes of the transportation. One is known as roadways/highways. Second is known as railways. Okay. So you can also extend that word and write it also. In what way? Roadways, highway, or road transportation or highway transportation. That are not transportation modes. Modes of important, very important. Then railway, no place is there. That's why I am not writing the name. Next is known as airways. Next, fourth is known as waterways. You can extend it and also write, no problem at all. What way you can write? You write roadways/highways, right, road transportation. Next, railways or rail transportation, airways, air transportation, waterway transportation. That are not. That's most of the transportation. But commonly in common, they are all. If anybody asks you or in the examination, what are the modes of the transportation? There are four modes of the transportation. What are they? One is known as roadways or highways. Second is known as the railways. Third is known as the airways. Fourth is known as the waterways. Now, briefly, still going ahead. What is that road transportation? Then all these road transportation is connected to road transportation, as the word itself says. Then it is the road network. Cut or not? What are the things is being covered? It covers all the road network. All the word I am using it. All. What is all roads means what? All roads. Again, means all types of the roads. Not all roads are common. Not correct. All types of the road. What are the all types of road? Anybody? There are 5 types of the road as per the Nagpur road plan. I am going to tell you. Next is that. What are they? All roads. Short form is one is known as NH, other is known as SS, state highway, then other is known as DH. National highway, state highway, then other district road, then the village road. No, national highway, state highways, then major district. One more other MDR. Where are it? Here. Extender. What is MDR? Major district. There are 5 types of the road. Again, I am telling you, 5 types of the road as per the Nagpur road plan. The roads are classified way back to this as per the Nagpur road plan. What is Nagpur road plan? I am going to tell you. Be silent. As per the Nagpur road plan, as per the first 20th plan, as per the first 20-year plan, or as per the Nagpur road plan, roads are roads are classified into 5 categories. What are they? Look at, they are national highways. Write it if you can write it. National highway, state highway, major district road, other district road, village roads. Right? Then you may ask me what is the other category? I understand. Another classification is also there. And as per the third 20-year plan, now look here. First 20 year, second 20 year, third. I am going to explain you what is that. As per the third 20-year plan, roads are classified into 3 categories. That was right. So now, don't talk. Now, as per this one, 1, 2, 3. What is 1, 2, 3? As per the third 20-year plan, the roads are classified into primary roads, secondary roads, and third is one of the tertiary roads. What is the arrow? What you should write? As per the first 20-year plan or as per the Nagpur road plan, as per the Nagpur road plan, brief detailed notes as per the as per the first 20-year plan / Nagpur road plan, as per the first 20-year plan or Nagpur road plan, roads are classified into roads are classified into roads are classified into 1 national highways, 2 state highways, 3 major district roads, 4 other district roads, then 5th one village roads. Okay. Now again you write one more sentence, paragraph. Right. Next paragraph. As per the third 20-year plan, I am going to tell all the plans now only, if time permits. As per the third 20-year road development plan, as per the third 20-year road development plan / Lucknow road plan, as per the Lucknow road plan. बरीतरा लखनऊ के बरीतरा मेरी अपने काल में यदि सिक्के लगा कि नोट भी नो तो तुम लखनऊ as per the Lucknow road plan, roads are classified into roads are classified into 3 categories. Roads are classified into 3 categories. 1, 2, 3. 3 categories. What are they? Right now. 1. Primary roads. Black में पढ़ते हैं. Primary roads. Secondary roads. Tertiary roads. Still action पढ़ते हैं. Sir, primary roads are क्या होता है? You should know. What are the primary roads, sir? PR पता चले तो short for primary roads are they are NH and SH. Primary roads are okay. Then secondary roads are major district road and other district roads. ODR. Next last one, tertiary roads, PR, they are all village roads, VR, or rural roads. Even ODR is also added in the third category. What? Coming back. Right. Now, again come back. Now next question is what next as per syllabus, importance of transportation. Syllabus, I am taking the syllabus and telling. Importance of the transportation. Let's go. What is the importance of transportation? Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this transportation or transportation network provides that facility which transports men and materials from origin to the destination. And if people are being taken from one place to another, or the goods are being taken from one place to another, this network or this transportation facility is only provided by the better transportation network. Correct or not? Number 1, important.